Yo, what's up, boys? Welcome to this episode.
Today we will look on cooling system. We have new radiator here from Audi 80 and I bought that because it's the best size for this small window here. Even with that small window we have to cut this wall and that wall, and after that we can place it inside and look on hoses, because one hose coming from here to up here and one hose coming from here to down there. So let's make bigger hole. Radiator is on place, as you can see, and it looks like this will be the best position for that. Little bit of space here, little bit of space there, and now we have to fabricate holders for that. I have one already just for trying, and now we have to make that one and that one down there, and between these holes one, and then we can see how it will be stiff, because I hope it's gonna be on place and we are not gonna destroy it by vibrations. So we will see. Let's fabricate those 3 holders. I did it, everything on place, and that's the position where it sits. Yeah, I have space up here a little bit and up here, so no touching, and down here too, so we are clear. And you don't have to worry about wiggling, because nothing wiggles. Yeah, so it's stiff as much as it can be. So now let's put some hoses and we can make expansion thing, but I think we don't have enough plates for that. But it's gonna be funny, because this one is the top of the engine, so we have to be something like this. But if we will be like this, I don't know if we can close the hood, so maybe we will have space between hood and between the chassis, so it's gonna be fun. Hoses, and we can try to fit these fans. I don't know which one is bigger and one is smaller, but the bigger, I will need make some holders for that, because when it's bigger I can just fit it through that radiator. So I will make another holders like this one, or I will use this one and this little triangle. It goes through that radiator and it holds the radiator by himself. So maybe this one will be better, and it's fast enough, so we will see. Let's try this one, if we can put it on the radiator from behind, and if we have space. Fan is mounted on the radiator and it goes through the radiator. You can see holes here. This one is mounted. You have plastic nut here which is going through the radiator, so it will not damage the pipes in it. It's easy. I hope it's enough. It will be on 3 bolts. Now I just have only one, so I have to buy 2 or 3 more, because this 3 you have, and you have 1 here for the cables. So I have to buy 4 of them, maybe, or maybe just only 3, because I have 1. Now we need to buy some hoses. Okay guys, so I can't find hoses for the radiator, so I have to go to junkyard and see if I can find some car which will have that hose, and then we can buy it and we can inside. So let's go to junkyard. Okay, so we are here. All what you can see. Oh hell yeah, fine. Okay, this car we need. So what we need? Let's open. And we don't have open here, so now we are screwed. But I need little things, and we have to figure out how to open it. So I'm in, but I can't get this hose. It's squeezed because the engine is down. So let's find another vehicle. I found another, and this hose is that one I need, so I have one. I hope it's not in bad condition, and I have to find another one. So let's take this out and find another. So let's look here. Up. Nope, it's not here. Yeah, but you can see it's the same position. So somebody needed to. It's fine. Up. Holy grail! Yeah, I found another one. So it looks like it. Hell yeah! But why somebody left it here? Let's take it out. Okay, so I bought 2 of them, so now we can cut them and see if they fit. I hope they will, and we will do it on garage. So let's go back. Okay, so we are back in garage, and now we have to mount these hoses that we bought on junkyard, but first we have to cut them, and then we can place it on the right place. So let's do it. And hoses are on the place. It's gonna be like this. These clamps are temporary, so we will change them in future. And here you can see the lower hose. Now we have to figure out how to place this big boy here. This big boy. It's gonna be somewhere here. I bought this iron plate for holders, so we will fabricate another holders for another big boy. It's gonna be next this pipe from turbo, and we have to figure out how high we will make it. So let's do it.
Yes.
Yes.
Water reservoir is on the place, and here you can see easy holders. I need to make another hole down there, but if I hold it here, nothing moves, and that's it. Now I have to buy another hose from here to here. I think it's 8 millimeters, and then I don't know.
Okay guys, everything is done. The holders for the reservoir cooler is on the place, and that's all. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this episode, and share, like, subscribe. Everything helps, and we can see each other in next video. Bye.